Any complaint?
No, Captain.
And you are moving your body. You're saying no.
Sorry, Captain.
Bend down your neck. Help him down. Fast. Fast. Help him.
Captain.
You're welcome.
Apete, I blot to all the items you asked me to blot. That is the reason I came to your place to bring it for you. Apete.
I included 200,000 naira in the list my madam requested for. What about it?
Apete, I send somebody to go and bring the 200 naira for you.
200,000 naira.
200,000. Don't worry, I will bring it for you. Before evening time, I will bring the 200,000 naira. Don't worry, I will never disappoint you. I'm a business tycoon. I have the money. So don't worry, I'll bring the money for you. Okay?
It's all right. Your name is already in the list of those traveling to London.
Hey.
So go start getting ready.
I promise you. Apete, I've done my part. It's left for you to do your part. Apete.
Your name is there already.
Don't worry. Apete.
Go and jubilate.
Hey. Apete, London. Yeah, I come. Apete. London. Hey.
Ha!
Yeah, I come.
It's a pity. Everybody wants to go to London. Come back to your duty and you're standing there. Come and finish up what you've done. Take it easy. Stop moving your body.
Sorry, Captain.
Any complaint?
No, Captain.
Please, my son. My news are on the ground, Pico. Including Norma's name. Oh? So that she can go to London with us. Pico no. Oh?
See, Mama, I hate it when you beg me as if I am God. What? Can't you understand? Must everybody go to London? What will she be doing in London? What will she go to London to do? Must everybody go to London? You're begging me as if I am heartless. I'm only considering the weight of people that are going to London, people that are reasonable, people that have something to offer, and not everybody. Oh!
What are you going to do in London?
Captain, please calm down. What I'm going there to do is not going to be a problem. Instead, I'll go there and open a restaurant.
What's a restaurant?
Please.
Just listen to yourself. Did you hear what he just said? You will go to London to cook. You open a restaurant in London. What do you know how to cook? Can you prepare London continental adequate diarrhea dishes? Can you prepare what Igbo people, what London people call frustrated fried burgers? Can you?
Simple.
Can you prepare even? My madam told me that London people are used to junk food. Junk food includes gari, all those fried gari, semovira. Name them.
Okay.
Mama Mutana.
Captain, that one is not going to be a problem. I can even forget about cooking. Come up with no issue me. Let me go there and be sweeping their main road. That's actually the road they bring in Magota.
Cleaner of the street.
Yes.
Hey, babe. This last one where you just vomit now, it choked me. Makachineke. So, I'm what be now. If they allow you, what you will go to London to do, get razziza. Maybe get by no here by bushiri go. And I have a plane, get coffee as in London. So you'll be proud to stand before Queen Elizabeth to tell her that you are a road sweeper. And Queen Elizabeth will come and shake me. Oh, congratulations, you brought somebody to sweep our streets. How dare you degrade my qualifications and that of my mother?
Please. No verse, I beg. That one, I know they sweep again. May I leave to sweep for them. Make I go there, they do abacha for them. buru kanda imota ine sha gboni eba mfuru ye garu eba ma agbomana ya Queen Elizabeth ka like here am na gbadi we eziokwu she will like it in fact okay we blue position gelu
do you know you are smelling mani ne shi ko giri ne kpara hana abobi so if immigration people stops you at the airport asach wa baga akoto ogiri ne shi kache they will ogiri she lie back to Africa. Do you listen to yourself at all? Number one thing that have even disqualified you is this your issue. My mother's own, everybody can understand she's wearing a wig because she's a London mother. She's a London citizen. But you have not been to London. Buy a white.
Captain, because this my hair, it's not a problem. This thing you are looking at, I'm making it swing. Terrible, because just somebody will call you Bugna.
Green.
Buy a red, Umbara, or educate or Umbaria, Piccolo. Here, Mumba, London. Actually, me will take over the come to the Piccolo.
And Mama. Okwa bana no here really time nje jama mother account. I don't want to get angry because at this stage I know here now. It's let me as a mother before you are aware of that. Because I don't want more insult. This lady here have insulted me enough. My madam is waiting for me. She was sleeping when I left that compound. I need to go back to work. I don't want my madam to wake up and start looking for me. You know, I am like her eyes in this village. Without me, she cannot do anything. I am her personal assistant. When I speak, she follow. Super. Then if she speak, then I follow. See Angela, see Obiadada, see Angela, see Obiadada. Then very soon when we get to London, it will change. See Obiadada, see Queen Elizabeth, see Obiadada, see Queen Elizabeth. I am captain. So please, I don't have all the time. I will see you when I come back. The London Captian. My hand.
Whatever you want to, lay my hand in here. Whatever you want to, lay my hand in here. Oh. I be London captain, there's no two ways about it. Whether you like it or not, oh, captain be your guy. London, all of us must go. I said I be London captain, visa full my hand. If you want to go London, come and see me here. You run an interview, I give you interview. You come for interview, I must view all your view. I be London captain, your visa London captain. I said I am London captain, visa full my hand. Whatever you want to, lay my hand.
She's 16, Auntie Angeli. She's the prettiest and the fairest. When the boys pass by, you could hear them say, "Oh, Princess Angeli." La 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 la. La 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 la. She's 16, Auntie Angeli. She's the prettiest and the fairest. When the boys pass by, you could hear them say, "Oh, Princess Angeli." La 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 la. La 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 la.
Stop! Please stop that nonsense! Stop it! What is going up beyond you?
Auntie Angeline.
Shift.
She's the princess and the fairest. When the boys pass by, you will hear them say, oh, Princess Angeline. La 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 la.
Lally it up. Up. Nah,
la 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 la. She's sweet, sissy, Auntie Angeline. She's a princess and the fairest. When the boys pass by, you could hear them say, oh, Princess Angeline. La 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 la. Go on. La la la.
So that is exactly what we agreed. All the members of the King's men must gather by 4 o'clock at Mazu Okeke's house, so that we give our in-law to be the list for the thank you, the list for the bride price. Exactly. Sorry, before I forget, please help me and get alligator pepper, also oji, and then oji now for cola nuts. Modern. Okay, it's all right.
What is it?
What is it?
Ogini. Abomination. Hey, abomination. Nkesi nye.
This one you're shouting like this.
This one I'm shouting like this. Why did you give him water with the cup Queen Elizabeth bought for me? Why? Is there no other cup in this house?
I'm sorry, it didn't even occur to me. It escaped my memory. Honestly, I didn't remember.
Shut up! You should sorry for yourself. It escaped your memory. Don't try it next time. Don't you try it! Get out!
Agua, I'm very sorry. It's just that this cup is given to me specially by Queen of England. And I intend to keep it like a monument, at least for remembrance. So don't be offended. Queen, you will live long. Please use that cup I use in drinking Igbo. Take it and bring water for my very good friend, Agoba. My very good friend. Where I put them?
I said I be London Captain.
What he get? The special PA. The only captain from London Bridge. I agree to.
Chome Menike. Don.
The other the one.
Joy Amwefula. Don.
Special PA.
Rebecca Anyoko. Don.
The captain from London Bridge.
Boko Okoro. Paid.
The only captain in this village.
Aloysius Ano.
I agree to.
Paid.
I say I agree.
I heard you. Must you shout it? Don't you have some manners? Can't you see I was busy? Must you distract me? You are talking to a London captain and not just an ordinary person. You are shouting like a market woman. Can't you see I was busy going through the names of those who are traveling to London with us? Does that call for you to shout?
No. That's why I'm here. Obi, I know you're very angry with me. Please, I'm very, very sorry.
Well, I was not angry at all. And can never be. Why would I be angry with you? No, what for? I am not angry, okay? I am fine. So, you can go.
Huh?
Is this place your house? I said you can go.
Ha! Why can you ask me to go just like that? I want to enter.
You want to enter with?
I want to enter there.
Which place?
People that are going to London now. I want to go and see Queen Eliza now. Please now.
You want to go and see Queen Eliza? If Queen Elizabeth come to this town to see you, Ogineme, if Eliza leave London to come to Nigeria to see you, will you die? Anyway, my book is already filled up. There's no space for you at all.
Ha!
So what you will do now, just use the same way you came in from. And don't come back here again, please.
Because I have apologized to you and I'm sorry now.
And I have accepted your apology. I said leave.
You don't expect me to go like that. I want to go to London. Sorry. I want to go to London.
If you must go to London, you will do the needful. Because Queen Elizabeth have instructed me to follow the due process. She asked me to make sure everybody coming with us will do what she wants me to do for her.
I'm ready.
You are ready?
Yes.
Akufesia.
Huh?
Anyway, if you are ready, we have to go inside so that you will fill the necessary form. Then I'll run proper interview on you.
Inside?
Inside the bush. I said inside and you are asking me inside.
Don't tell me that now. What kind of interview is that? Let's do it here now. Since you're writing the names at once, write my name. It's not hard. Miroma.
Anyway, I am not here to write people's names. Rather, I am writing the names of those who are really, really prepared to go with us.
I'm prepared now.
As I said before, if you must go to London with us, you must undergo through this interview. You know what I mean? Are you in or out?
My brother, Obiadada has done more harm than good. Let me tell you, he has been going about this village, promising everybody, London, England. Do you know, let me tell you, Obiadada slept with my girlfriend.
Eh?
Nketi slept with Obiadada because of London. Don't you think Obiadada is trying to use this London thing to scam everybody? Don't you think so?
Wait, I'm coming. You mean Obiadada? Nkechi papapaptari ahụ sie?
Nkechi nyelu ya?
Apet. Captain eriele Nkechi.
Obiadada slept with my girl. I will deal with Obiadada. So my brother, I'm telling you the truth. Don't use all the money you have, the money you are trying to save, to go and give Obiadada. He will eat your money. He will scam you. Obiadada is a scammer. Obiadada never even reached Cotonou, talk less of Kenya. And Obiadada want to take you to London. Think about it. Think about it. I'm serious.
Wait. Excuse me. Wait. Are you trying to tell me that Obia Data will not take me to London?
Never. Never.
I don't think I believe that. I don't think I believe that. The only reason I came back to this village is to go to London. And nothing can stop me. Let me tell you the truth. I left my 12th job to come back to this village to go to London. I go to do chopping. Can't you see that I'm the lesson very well? Because I want to be that to notice that yes, I have London blood rolling inside me to take me to London. And you're telling me that Obiadada will scan me. If Obiadada scanning me, to God who made me and you, anybody know get office. If Obiadada scan me, you don't know me.
Obiadada will not only scan you, he will print you. He will, everything they are doing in printing office, he will do you everything. Better be careful of Obiadada. You are my very good friend. I wouldn't want to see you crying because of London or London, whatever you call it. You see, by the time Obiadada will finish dealing with you, that your 12 shops that is remaining, it will remain 0 shop. I'm telling you. My brother, let me tell you, I am done with everything about Obiadada. You can continue. Since you say you will stick your life to it.
But let me tell you, okay? Let me tell you. I will never give up. Yes, I will never give up. I want to go to London. The reason you're talking about this is because Obiadada slept with your girlfriend. Let me tell you, Obiadada knock your girlfriend. That is the reason why you're angry. And you're talking with the spirit of poverty. Poverty is disturbing you. When you take a look at me, you know that I'm a container person. I deal on container. Every month, 20 feet. Less, abada, everything I bring in Nigeria, I sell and make my money. You see, I have original phone. I have original eyeglasses. I have original shirts, designers I wear because I have the money. Because you don't have money, that's why you're trying to discourage me to go to London. To God who made me and you, I must go to London. And if Obiadada lie in me, hey, oh, Shediman putting your police and make it a vote, come on telephone. If Obiadada lie in me,
Obiadada don't chop you. Go. Obiadada will deal with you. He will scam you. He will scan your 12 shops. He will even chop your own girlfriend. Nonsense.
Obiadada, I don't understand you again. Why are guests trooping into your room and trooping out? What is it? What are they doing there? I don't want to hear that somebody is pregnant for you. I don't want to hear it. I don't want it.
What's wrong about that? No, what's wrong about that? If anybody gets pregnant for me, I mean, you should be happy. You become a grandmother. Do you know what it takes to impregnate someone? You're shouting as if I have done something wrong. I am doing exactly what Queen Elizabeth instructed me to do. Yes, that's the procedure. Okay, that's the only way we can find out people who are ready to go to London to do what they are going there for.
Shut up. Which Elizabeth? Everything. Elisa that. Elisa tell you this. Elisa tell you that. Are you working for Elisa or you're working for Angela? See, I know what you are doing. I understand what you are doing. I am your mother. I know better than you do.
Mama, you don't know anything. Because if you know what I'm doing, if you know exactly what I'm doing, you'll be talking like a mad woman. What is wrong with you? My madam and Queen Elizabeth are one. They are together. The same way Queen Elizabeth and my madam Angelina is together is the same way I and Angelina is together. This is see Ange, see Queen Elizabeth, see Mary, see Jesus, then see Obi, see Angela. All of us are fonity in one. Get that into your head and stop monitoring my steps.
Now I am not a mad woman up here. No problem. By the time you impregnate any woman, you will carry it by yourself. It's none of my business because they will not stay in this house.
I don't have time with you. I don't have much time. Remember, you are talking to London Captain. You should be happy. Mama, you should be happy that I changed your status in this community. The same position I occupied today is the reason you are dressed like this. If not, people will start addressing you as a mad woman. You should be grateful to me that yes, out of the whole youth in this community, your own son, your own offspring was chosen to become a London captain. And you are here shouting. Mama, you are shouting at me. You are shouting to a London captain. Oh!
Happy and hi, Mikey. Hi, Maggie. We know you. I'm on you. You can tell that to outsider, not me, your mother. I know what is going on. I know what is going on. Change your ways. Change your ways.
Mind how you talk to me.
I will talk.
Mind how you talk to me.
I will talk to you.
Stop talking to me in that manner.
I will talk to you.
Guards!
Yes, London Captain.
Take my mother inside and lock her up. Take her inside.
Come. What
are you waiting for?
What? Right! Move it!
So, this is how you're going to guide me. Huh? So this is how you are going to guide me. Come on, go down. Go down properly, idiot. Ordinary my mother, a weaker vessel. You couldn't lift her up. 4 of you. Why are you called men? Why are you called a man? Come on, sit down properly. Sit down properly before I deal with you. Rubbish. You can do that to others. You can't do that to me.
Yes, Captain.
You people are very, very stupid.
Yes, Captain. Yes, Captain.
You are an idiot.
Yes, Captain.
God punish you.
Yes, Captain.
Now, I want you people to prove to me how stupid you are. Sing it as a song. 1, 2, go.
London guys are messing up, messing up, messing up. London guys are messing up. Forgive us, Captain.
You are stupid.
Yes, Captain.
Sing it.
London guys, we are stupid. We are stupid. We are stupid. London guys, we are stupid. Forgive us, Captain.
You are foolish. You want to go?
London guys, we are foolish. We are foolish. We are foolish. London guys, we are foolish. Forgive us, Captain.
You are stupid.
Yes, Captain.
You are stupid.
Yes, Captain.
With one voice. I said, you are stupid.
Yes, Captain.
You are foolish.
Yes, Captain.
You people are moron.
Yes, Captain.
Foolish people.
Yes, Captain.
Your generation are punished.
Yes, Captain.
Attention. Attention. Stupid people.
Yes, Captain.
Now rise. Hands up. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.